You have exactly 1 month left before 2025 ends. Then why not spend it glowing up?
आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी how to lose 4 kgs in this time without starving yourself and without crazy workouts. Let's get started. Firstly, losing 4 kgs in a month is safe and sustainable. But if you start following plans such as lose 10 kgs in 10 days, you will end up losing your muscles, your hair will fall out, and your metabolism will crash. And that's bullshit. And you will end up looking something like this. Been there, done that, not worth it at all. Weight loss का एक ही formula है, calorie deficit. Period. And how to calculate how much calorie deficit should we follow? The answer is total daily energy expenditure, aka TDEE. मतलब how many calories your body burns daily based on your age, weight, height, activity. For example, अगर आपका TDEE is 2000 calories, तो आपको 1500 to 1400 calories खाने हैं daily. That's a 500 to 600 calorie deficit. इससे you will lose 1 kg per week, which means 4 kgs in 30 days. If you are on your weight loss journey, protein is your best friend.
Just multiply your body weight with 1.2 or 1.6. That's how many grams of protein you need to consume daily.
Protein keeps you full, preserves your muscles and metabolism भी high रखता है. Indian sources of protein: paneer, dal, curd, yogurt, eggs, fish, chicken. But for weight loss, I highly recommend eggs, chicken, soya chunks, fish, Greek yogurt, considering the calories. And try to add 20 से 25 ग्राम of protein in every meal. And I have a hack for you. Meal में सबसे पहले protein से start करो. By this way, you will naturally eat less carbs and fat. And your cravings will reduce too. And by less carbs, I don't really mean no carbs and fats at all. They also are very important. Complex carbs choose करो. Brown rice, multigrain roti, oats, quinoa. Because they will keep your energy steady and also make you feel full. And my dear ladies, especially, do not skip fats. Fats are essential for your hormones. A handful of nuts, seeds, a spoonful of ghee, and an avocado if you want to eat it. So, in a nutshell, protein should be your priority, and then carbs for your energy levels, and fats for your hormones. Simple. This one is an underrated yet effective hack. Drink water 20 to 30 minutes before your meals. It naturally curbs your hunger and you will tend to eat less than regular without actually feeling deprived. And research proves this, by the way. Overall, you should drink 2 to 3 liters of water every single day. And I'm talking about water. Plain water. Your chai, coffee doesn't count in that. Let me ask you a quick question. When was the last time you guys had your meal without watching a TV or Netflix or scrolling through your phone? You don't remember, right? जब आप distracted होके खाते हो, you overeat. But जब आप focus करके slowly खाते हो, you will eat less and you will feel satisfied. So sit down or on a dining table all alone with all your senses in, no distractions, nothing. Another hack I have here is to use smaller plates. This tricks your brain that you are eating more. And stop at 80% full. Don't eat until you are stuffed because you actually don't need that. Slow down, chew properly. This is simple yet really powerful. If you are really serious about losing 4 kgs in 30 days, start lifting weights. Weights uthao. Even the light ones work. And this will help you build muscles. Or muscles burn calories even when you are resting. That's the specialty of strength training. I am not even asking you guys to do that daily. Just 3 to 4 times a week for 30 minutes a day if you're consistent. The best way to lose fat is to strength train and add some cardio with it. 15 to 20 minutes of cardio. Even if you just add walking for 10 to 15 minutes after your meals, it is more than enough and it is gonna help you a lot with your digestion and bloating issues. Your workout is just 1 hour of the day, but बाकी के 23 hours आप क्या कर रहे हो, it is also very important. Try to stay active. If you're sitting for longer hours, if you have a desk job like I do, you can just wake up every 30 minutes and walk in your room for like 2 to 3 minutes. If you do it for every 30 minutes or every hour, इससे आपके steps भी बहुत हो जाएंगे. Like 8,000 to 10,000 steps per day will not be an issue. It will be like हो जाएगा. Another really important hack for you guys is that please eat your last meal of the day 2 to 3 hours before your bedtime. It will help you digest your food better and also the quality of sleep. I mean, mean, you will sleep really good. And you know, one really important mental hack here is that stop obsessing over your weight. Weight fluctuates daily. And my loves, please stop checking your weight daily. If you want to track your progress, just look how well your clothes are fitting. Look at your energy levels. Look at your confidence, man, because that's real progress. Track your meals regularly for the first week, and once you get the idea of portions, it will become automatic. And check your weight only once a week, not more than that. Tell this to yourself. You don't have to really be perfect from the day one itself. There will be bad days, but just try to be consistent on those days as well. And sometimes you will feel like skipping your workouts. But my advice to you guys is, especially on those days, do not skip your workouts. Just go do your workout and stick to nourishing and fueling your body no matter what. Be patient, be kind to yourself. You are building a lifestyle and not just chasing a number. Let me recap for you fast. Number 1, 500 to 600 calorie deficit daily through TDEE calculation. Number 2, protein should be priority. 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kg of body weight. Number 3, balance carbs and fats. 40 to 50% carbs, 20 to 30% fats. Number 4, water before meals. 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Number 5, mindful eating. Slow down, smaller plates, 80% full. Number 6, strength training. 3 to 4 times a week plus a daily movement and an optional cardio or HIIT workout if you can. Number 7, track smartly. Don't obsess over scale. Notice real changes. Number 8, avoid crash dieting, meal skipping, only cardio and comparing yourself. And number 9, consistency over perfection. Your mindset matters the most. If this helped you, please like, comment and share this video and subscribe for more such real talks on fitness and improving yourself. You have 1 month. Let's crush it. And come back to this video on 1st of Jan 2026. Bye.